Hey guys, I'm gonna make this an unboxing video. I had a Game Boy for a while now and just bought some Game Boy games, and I finally got them in the mail. They're right here. They're from GbaGames.com and whatnot. So they're just Yu-Gi-Oh games. So let's open them up now. Never did an unboxing video, so this should be good. I like old school gaming, so yeah, you can go on GbaGames.com and you can buy cheap games, all sorts of systems, old and new. Thing's hard as fuck. Oh, sweet. Empty. Yeah, these are the games that I bought. Yu-Gi-Oh! Can't really see what it says. And another one. These two Game Boy games. For Game Boy Advance SP. And I ordered a third one, but it hasn't come yet. So this is going to be part one of the unboxing video. Or unwrapping, whatever you want to call it. So this is part one, and those are my games. I don't know what these things are on the back for. Yeah, this one's World Championship 2004, and this is Worldwide Edition. So hope you enjoyed.